This is 2024 MSI Katana with Ryzen 7 8000 series. This particular one also has RTX 4070, which is pretty good, 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD. Pretty standard Katana box, just like in previous years. The outer box has a seal on top and no seal on the bottom. Inside this box we have this box. It adds to protection, which is pretty good. This one does not come sealed. And we have specs over here. Let's take a look at the specs again. So Ryzen 7 8000 series, 8845HS, which is a very good CPU. This is a new one, 2024, 15.6 QHD, 165 Hz, 1 TB, and this is Gen 4, DDR5, dual channel, which is great. Here we have one part of the charger, and over here we have manual on the second part, made by Chicone, 200 watt. And this is the laptop. Very smooth finish. I have two USB-A's here. We have charging here. Nothing on the back. Average thickness for a gaming laptop. Here we have USB-C, another USB-A, and headphone input, and HDMI, and RJ45. Let's see here. We have this familiar keyboard. It's similar in Cyborg and many other MSI models. Resistance is kinda low. Smooth, nice materials. Overall quality and materials is pretty average. Cheap plastic here. Camera, no camera shutter. Soft closing here. This one is very smooth. I don't think it changed for the last couple of years, this rubber things. I believe it's pretty much the same, and it's fine. Katanas, they're generally something that gives you good specs for a good price, and this is pretty much what it is. If you like low button resistance, it can be pretty good, because buttons are fine on touch. Easy for fast typing. And the screen here is QHD, which is 2560 by 1440, so it's 1440p gaming screen, which is fine. It has 4070 video card, which is pretty good for a gaming laptop. 4080 laptops cost a lot more than this, so I believe it's pretty reasonable laptop for like just over 1,000 right now.